Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial you will learn how you can use ChatGPT as an AI service here on Opera AI, for example, to communicate with the artificial intelligence or to ask questions. So let us get started and show you how to do that. Launch Opera Air on your desktop computer or on your laptop. And first thing you will need to do, guys, is enable ChatGPT as an accessible AI service. To do that, head over to that sidebar here on your home screen on the left hand side and click on these three dots here. And after that, simply go through that list of supported AI services and select ChatGPT here to the right so that the ChatGPT icon may be enabled here on the left sidebar. So you may close the setup and simply access ChatGPT here on the left hand side. That is going to open up that panel. So you may, for example, log into your account on ChatGPT or simply start chatting with the artificial intelligence and give it the command or a prompt or ask a question below like you usually use ChatGPT. You may also attach a file, for example, to give the artificial intelligence the command to analyze an image, a photo, or a PDF document or Word document, and so on and so forth. And that's basically it, guys. That's how you use ChatGPT here on Opera Air. Thanks for watching and see you next time.